Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LENS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy price movement today, but not only price movement, you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, then we can talk levels of resistance. Now, the one dynamic that occurred that was kind of a buzzkill was during the final portion of the day, essentially all day long. And let me just do this so you can see. But all day long, the price was actually doing a great job of holding up above this area right here, right around $1.35, that green line. And then the final hour occurred. Again, each of these is 30 minutes. So the last two candles will equal an hour. But you can see the price broke below it there and then just, stayed down below it. So that brings about the fact that, and this is all just from a foundational rule in charting, when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into Thursday, that initial area of resistance is now going to be right there at $1.35. It was a support, like I said, essentially all day long, and then the last hour happened and it was broken. So therefore, got to be considered an area of resistance. In the event the price can push up through $1.35, next key level of resistance would be up at the $1.60 mark. So again, initial $1.35, after that $1.60. As far as levels of support are concerned, you're just going to have to be proactive about this going into Thursday. What do I mean by that? Well, the next overarching level of support is that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. Right now, it is valued at 93 cents, but keyword being moving, meaning as Thursday plays out, that line is going to move. It's going to change. Therefore, this value over here is going to move and change. So again, yes, right now it's at 93 cents, but that that value is going to change as Thursday plays out. So keep an eye on that from the support standpoint, and you'll just have to, like I said, be proactive and do an inventory check on that and watch how that line changes and the value changes as tomorrow and then even Friday all play out. So we'll see what happens with it, but at the end of the day, did still have great price movement, had some great volume, and we'll see if this one can turn things around or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.